Abdurrahman, they are treating you with very special kindness today.
Sir, I have a question from Al-Baqarah 98.
اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم قل من کان عدوا لجبریل فإنہ نزلہ علی قلبک بإذن اللہ مصدقا لما بین یدیہ وہدی وبشریٰ للمؤمنین. Translation is, say, whoever is an enemy to Gabriel, for he it is who has caused it to descend on thy heart by the command of Allah, fulfilling that revelation which precedes it, and it is a guidance and glad tidings to the believers.
So kindly, how is it possible, the enmity to Jibraeel?
Jibraeel stands as a symbol for all revelations from Allah to His messengers. So the institution of revelation is symbolized in the person of Jibraeel. So whenever you oppose revelation, whenever you oppose the message of any prophet, in fact, it is tantamount to opposing Jibraeel and all that he stands for. So you oppose a prophet, taking him to be an ordinary human being, that he is, without any special powers, to overcome your resistance and defeat you in your purpose of defeating his purpose. That is clear. But why don't you realize that whatever message he delivers is not from himself, it is always brought by Gabriel, the most powerful angel, the archangel. So you do not oppose an ordinary man like yourself. You are opposing by the same act of yours the most powerful and grand manifestation of God's will, which is Jibraeel. So he will frustrate your efforts. He will destroy all your animosity and what follows that animosity. This is the message delivered in this book. Those who are against Jibraeel are always those who are against the prophets of God.